going in down the line. There we go, we've got some rooms. Okay, so we're here. After 2 hours of drilling, we drilled through the route successfully and then battled with different drill heads to come all the way through to the end of the street. At about this position, we are turning to this direction. The water's flowing, the rain water will move through because the line is open. The other solution I have here is to excavate down. The sand is getting into the line over here. All the silt from the roof is washing in here, and because the level of the catchment is the same level as the pipe, all the sand is washing in. I would open up the square, drop that surface down at least 100 mils so the sand and heavy stuff gets stuck at the bottom and it can just be cleaned out, and then the water will overflow into the drain without causing sand to run into the line, preventing this build-up of sand.